How to change the payment method on Agoda. So the very first thing you want to do is to open your application Agoda, or you can also open it in any of the web browser. So let me head over to Chrome and move into the site agoda.com. It will land you on this interface. Now let's say you want to book this hotel. Click on it. Scroll all the way down and click on Book Now. Once again, scroll all the way down and tap on Final Step. It will redirect you to this page. Slide down and you'll find the option of payment method. Right here you can see 3 different payment methods: credit or debit card, digital payment, and then others. You don't need to directly change the payment method on your settings. You can just simply choose or change the payment method from here. Select the payment method that is appropriate for you. Enter all of the details that is necessary for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to change the payment method on Agoda. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.